So I had a student ask me, how did I get that transparent hole there so I could put my face in it? So I downloaded an image from the internet. I put it in Remove BG and I got something like this. Now what you need to do is edit, erase and restore the picture back. Now I'm asking you to move that to a bigger brush. Just go back over everything. If you go slowly and with wide stripes, you'll do better. I see some people do this and they miss spots. So just go slowly and it'll actually work better and faster. So you restored the picture. Now we're going to go to erase. And then basically we're just cutting out a size for you to put your face in. So anything that's the checkerboard look, remember, is transparent. So it could look like that, or you can even come down here, totally up to you. But there's your space to talk. When you're done, download, and when you put it in Flipgrid, make sure you use it as an effect photo. So in Flipgrid, it's an effect photo.